Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft server lag, high ping and pocket loss problem. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select here use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server, type 8844. Click on OK to save changes and just close stuff here. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Firewall with advanced security. Click on open it. On left side, select inbound rules. On right side, select new rule. Select port and select next. Select UDP and now check my video description for this UDP code. Just to copy and paste over here. After pasting it, select next. Select allow the connection and select next. Select next and type here Minecraft UDP. Click on finish. Just close stuff here. Fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. The fifth step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these two commands used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these both commands, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.